Hello students, we are going to solve the assignment of class 10th chemistry. Okay, so let us see the first question. So which is based on the topic acid, bases and salts, and its subtopic if you consider importance of chemicals from sodium chloride. So let us see the first question. Okay, so let us see the first question. Dash is produced during electrolysis. Dash is produced during electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride, and we can also call it as brine. So what we used to say, aqueous sodium chloride, we can also call it as brine solution, right? So dash is used, of course the dash is produced by during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride. Okay, so to know this answer, first of all we should know, when we have considered there will be a strong basis, we used to say, right? Strong basis, especially if you consider a strong base, a sodium hydroxide, right? Strong base is nothing but what? Sodium hydroxide. So this strong base, which is nothing but, we can say caustic soda. What is it? Caustic soda. So this caustic soda, even we can also call it as lime. Okay, caustic soda, even we can also call it as lime. So this caustic soda, it is obtained by the electrolytic decomposition of the sodium chloride, aqueous sodium chloride we used to say. So it is obtained by the electrolytic decomposition of brine. So in this case, hydrogen is deposited at cathode and chlorine at anode. So let us see the reaction in this. If you take a sodium chloride can react here on electrolytic decomposition. Here we used to get sodium hydroxide and there will be chlorine which is deposited at anode and liberation of hydrogen gas, right? So here liquid we used to consider, and even gas. Just for balancing purpose, what we used to write here, 2NaCl, 2H2O gives rise to 2NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. So in this, if you see the products which is formed in this process we also call it as a chlor-alkali process. What is this process? Chlor-alkali process. So which gas is released, which is deposited anode here? Chlorine. So let us see that, and we can write chlorine. Clear? So the next one, if you see the next question, dash is used for the manufacturing of bleaching powder. So dash is used for the manufacturing of bleaching powder, we used to say. So here if you see that, what we are going to use for the manufacturing of bleaching powder, let us see further. See here, in this chlor-alkali process, which we got that anode, which is deposited anode. What is it? Chlorine, right? So here, when chlorine reacts with, the chlorine can react with a dry slaked lime. Dry slaked lime, we used to get a bleaching powder. What we are getting? Bleaching powder. So this bleaching powder, it is also known as chloride of lime, we used to say. Chloride of lime. Bleaching powder is also known as what we used to say? Chloride of lime. Or even we can also say that calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride. So how we are getting this calcium oxychloride? When chlorine reacts with the dry slaked lime, we are getting the bleaching powder. Let us see the chemical reaction here. When dry slaked lime reacts with chlorine, So slaked lime is nothing but what? Calcium hydroxide. So when calcium hydroxide reacts with the chlorine, we used to get calcium oxychloride. And water molecule can be byproduct, we used to say. So calcium oxide, calcium oxychloride, if you see that, calcium oxychloride is formed by when dry slaked lime reacts with the chlorine. So here dash is used for the manufacturing of bleaching powder. So what we are using for the manufacturing of bleaching powder? Chlorine. Okay. So the third one, if you see that, the bleaching powder is produced by the action on chlorine with dash. Action on chlorine with dash, they used to say. So here the bleaching powder is produced by the action on chlorine with what? Here what we used to write? Dry slaked lime. So what is the answer, children? So dry slaked lime. Clear? So here we can write a dry slaked lime, which is nothing but CaOH twice. Okay. So the fourth question, if you see that, so bleaching powder is represented as, so bleaching powder is represented as is nothing but what? So here we used to write the formula of the bleaching powder. Understood? So formula of the bleaching powder, what? What is the formula of bleaching powder? What we got here? Calcium oxychloride, right? So this calcium oxychloride is also known as what we used to say? Bleaching powder. Common name is bleaching powder, we used to say, right? So here CaOCl2. And the next one here, the fifth question. So X, when it is reacts with chlorine, we used to get calcium oxychloride plus water. So here we need to identify the X. So what is X here? Which is nothing but, see here the reaction which we have discussed earlier, right? So what is the reaction? When dry slaked lime calcium hydroxide reacts with the chlorine, we are getting calcium oxychloride and water. So right, fine. So here X plus Cl2. So in the place of X, what we need to write here? Calcium hydroxide. Right. So X is nothing but calcium hydroxide. X is nothing but calcium hydroxide. So if you see this calcium hydroxide, there will be different types of uses we used to say, right? Calcium hydroxide, we can say it is used for the bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry, right? And even it is used in oxidizing agent in many chemical industries, right? So let us see for that. Next question. So sixth question. Dash is used as bleaching cotton. Dash is used as bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry. So what we are using? Bleaching powder. Answer is bleaching powder. Understood? So the next one. So dash is used as oxidizing agent. Dash is used as oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. So what we are using, which is nothing but, as we have discussed, bleaching powder. These are the uses of bleaching powder. Right. So the next one, if you see that. So the chemical name of baking soda. Chemical name of baking soda. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Okay. So, if you see this, the baking soda, it is also known as, we used to say, sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda is also known as what? Sodium bicarbonate, or even we can also call it as sodium hydrogen carbonate. These are the chemical names we used to say. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, or we can say sodium bicarbonate. Clear? So, baking soda, chemically what we used to call? Sodium bicarbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Or even we can also say that baking soda is also known as bread soda, we used to say, or even bicarbonate of soda, or sodium bicarb we used to say, or simply we used to call it as bicarb. So here what they are asking, chemical name of baking soda they are asking. So what is the chemical name of baking soda, children? So sodium bicarbonate. So let us write the answer. Sodium bicarbonate. And here we can mention the formula NaHCO3. Okay, sodium bicarbonate, or we can also write it as sodium hydrogen carbonate. The next one, see here. So when a sodium chloride reacts with ammonia and carbon dioxide with water, so it is going to form ammonium chloride and there will be a product of X. So here if you see that when sodium chloride here, when it is reacting with the ammonia and carbon dioxide along with the water molecule, it used to form ammonium chloride, and the X is nothing but sodium bicarbonate. What is that one? X is nothing but sodium bicarbonate. And this process we used to call it as Solvay process. Formation of sodium bicarbonate, what we are calling? Solvay process. So now here this sodium bicarbonate, in what way we can use? Right. Sodium bicarbonate, it is used for the manufacturing of baking powder. And even this baking powder is used in the cakes, like to make the cake as a spongy and fluffy nature, right? And this sodium bicarbonate is used as an ingredient for antacid. And this sodium bicarbonate, it is used for the cleansing the ornaments of silver also we used to consider. And based on the sodium bicarbonate only, when we are heating the sodium bicarbonate, we used to release the sodium carbonate, and there will be a liberation of carbon dioxide gas which is used to extinguish the fire. See, let us see that we have discussed all together in this assignment 10 questions. So what is the first one? Here dash is used, of course the dash is produced by during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride, which is nothing but what we can say brine, is, what is the answer? Chlorine. Okay. Second one dash is used for the manufacturing of the bleaching powder. Which is used for the manufacturing of bleaching powder? Here what we can say? Chlorine gas. Understood. Next one, bleaching powder is produced by the action on chlorine with dash. What is that? Dry slate lime. What is the formula of dry slate lime? We can say calcium hydroxide. Bleaching powder is represented as, bleaching powder, what is the formula of bleaching powder? CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride. And X plus Cl2 gives rise to CaOCl2 plus H2O. What is X here? Dry slate lime, which is nothing but calcium hydroxide. Okay. And dash is used as bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry, which is nothing but what? Bleaching powder. And even the bleaching powder is used as oxidizing agent in many chemical industries also. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Baking soda is nothing but what? Common name, right? So, common name baking soda, the chemical name what we used to call sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is the formula of this one? NaHCO3. And here the formation of sodium bicarbonate, if you see that, sodium chloride when it is reacting with the ammonia and carbon dioxide along with the water molecule, Here we are getting the ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. Okay. And here the sodium bicarbonate, which is used as an ingredient for the antacid. Okay. That's all, children. This is about the assignment which is dated on 11/6. Okay. Thank you.